Next step, you're gonna push this over until it hits my life jacket. So we're gonna start turning in the wind. It's gonna start getting loud. Are we going fast or slow? Slow, right? We're under control. We're gonna keep turning through the wind. We're gonna go all the way until we're headed to where the other sailboat is.
So we're going all the way to this one?
Yeah, we're gonna go right over to where they just turned around. Keep turning. And then, yeah, straighten out. And now you can come. I'm gonna move. You can come sit where I was sitting. I'll hold it for you. Ready? Okay. I want to run some experiments now. So, have you ever heard of simple machines? Simple machines. So, ever heard of a pulley before? Anyone see any pulleys on this boat? There's a bunch of them all around. Yeah, there's some pulleys up there. There's pulleys here in the main sheet too, right? There are these little wheels that the ropes run through. So those are type of simple machines. All simple machines do is they make doing work easier. There's you see that gray bridge in the way in the back of the harbor?
Oh yeah.
Let's head that way.
Yeah.
So simple machines make doing work easier. Anyone ever heard of a lever before? Lever. This wooden stick right here is a lever, believe it or not. We're gonna test to see if it actually works and makes it easier. The first test we're gonna do, this back. I'm gonna have you slide all the way back here and sit right here. You're gonna hold this back here with both hands. This hand. And now I want you to pull the tiller towards you, just like that. Keep pulling. And let's turn towards the gray bridge.
Goes up.
Yeah, and then good. Straight down. All right, is this easier or harder? Harder, right? Does it feel like heavier? Yeah, so now slide back up here and hold it. Lot easier?
Yeah.
All right, if you had to like guesstimate a number for me, is it twice as easy, 3 times as easy, 4 times as easy?
I think it's like 3 times as easy.
3 times as easy? Believe it or not, that's the most common number I get, right? So if this is 3 times as easy, we would say it gives us a mechanical advantage of 3. So all mechanical advantages, it's how much easier it makes doing the work, okay? I got an experiment for you right here. So we're gonna lock this into the teeth, so pull through and down. Good? What I want you to do is grab onto all this rope here. Okay? Both hands. I'll hold onto this for you just in case it starts to tip. Grab onto this rope, 2 hands. You brace your feet against that if you want. And what I want you to do is I just want you to pull that sail in as far as you can with both hands. There we go. Hand over hand, pull it. All right, what do you think? Is that easy, hard? Hard, all right, let it go. Remember what that felt like. Now pull it in as far as you can using the pulleys. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. All right, easier or harder to use the pulleys? Easier. So it is pulleys, so the pulleys are getting us mechanical advantage then, right? With pulleys, it's actually pretty cool. We can calculate, we can see how much easier it's gonna make. So how many pulleys are in this system? Let's count. So I've got 1 here, right? 1, 2, I've got a small one here, 3, and then I've got 2 up there, so 4, 5. So this has a 5-to-1 ratio on the pulleys, which gives mechanical advantage of 5. Now what does that mean? Okay. Let's pull the car, pull the boat. Don't let the wind tell you where to go. You got to tell the boat where to go.
Yeah, just the boat tip.
You don't like that? Let that sail out. Okay, one down like that. Good. All that happened there was a big gust of wind came, it pushed on our sail, and made our boat lean over a little bit. It's all good. We can let out the sail if we want, or we can just ride through that. Okay, so if we have 5 pulleys, it makes the work 5 times easier. So if there's 100 pounds of pressure in the sail, we only feel 20 out here.